na the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase yepe wo wiase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyame no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
Mama akwaba batuma GHS so medindi na ama obuzwa amedi enwu ehia me na sabe so meni mo di ehia no na te se trending issues abeto ja na medi ebesto mu na ebusuafo meko ensem no eso prekope no ene day Ghana Insama aba beto aponte efa ye former president JJ Rawlings ewuo no amagana fotutu no dodo na enwo eduro mo ba ensama ehyehyehye ntomase a dese na ehinta Ghana fododo na ebi no they see that true press conference National Democratic Party owned and founded by Nana Kunedu Ajman Rawlings on the yere say when no etna ye ne kwande ni ano wode abetu dwano te say enam so no ama ensem bi epie na ensem na epie no enom na magana for enwo eduro mum na according to General Secretary woda the National Democratic Party NDP Nana Kunedu Ajman Rawlings party no ano no wode betu just said Rawlings we are man for we chiwencho won etwu man so we se fa ben ye fa say we see ye fa say no sa entem aboba nia no bakupo ni wa ewo mu a ehuhia ye hwehwenim ni nya atwom na wonkofo bi afa wo mo de wo mpe asundie wo mo mpre ahoto wo mo nim oniwo ene favre and wo mo edina wo and wo mo di say adwuma no na according to him no wo chema say wo mo founder your former president JJ Rawlings awato na nanu wonse no na yeri akasa no na no wonu no betimi atre ni tirimu po na adwemu po ni how bia no wo fem wo komu anase nyema bia na ha na no de tudwane no eno ne da sumie so ntu wonu no betimi na di sa nyema no wa nkomo na ntisi wo kan sema tene so dia ene na ye wo mo NDP fo no wo mo wonse bebre wo mo kan to abonten a ebekọ kesepa edietia NDC amanyoko no na kakrampo won de etudwa no chese zanu kakrampo no pupu ye krampo no ya senkesepa according to Alhaji Mohammed Frimpong we General Secretary Emma NDP amanyoko no waka say Ebra Rawlings etiase no ye former president JJ Rawlings no Ebra wotiase no na enye ne botaye baku say anase ne niswadi hu baku say NDC amanyoko no led by the flag bearer JM no wo mesa tena kunya no so biem da ohu JM na manyo sem se no ye ne obu na ban esifaye since 2012 to 2016 no ne kon andokra po se Obekoto na ba e de ama no 2016 po se won se nyina any president bem ti se o dinkugo sa bre na ye Rawlings krapo e wo mu bi enunti e no to di gugo because na ba na akase mu no wanto amfa ma no do se eye wo no ani party aba found no ba ohun ni ye bi e wo eni suban bi e wo mo emu a ohun ni se sabre obi enim se eye former president JJ Rawlings the discipline any just adwumu fine and the judgment na te se ohun ni se sa ene ye na wo mu no wo emboa ema kan ko ema wo my Ghana mu nti na nti en moto aba e di etia na mpo no ebi mu afi we gra 2020 na wo high expectation pa wo training se be ba beto no the 7th of December 2020 ba beto na te se wasa to aba e di etia NDC because ohun ni se still na no woman get prepared. Woman say woman quiet. Woman say woman to buy so go back to the foundation of the party NDC Amanyoko do found the party no so no. Woman say woman join so make so no ma dey edi adwumanti na why na join party on the 7th of December no. Egebie mu so ko better to na ba edi etia NDC Amanyoko no. Na say and what they ne nsem no to they say Rawlings failed to vote for the NDC in the 2016 general election, and it was the wish of Rawlings to see the NDC lose the 2020 general elections. And no, and as I said, what they to was now according to that, in the answer and now to man said and said, on where Rawlings no not what GD said. Principles be one now what the probity and so accountability. Say would be the adream fine ebe man ebium so betimi ebu awon akonta wedumedi awudi no betimi ebu akonta say sika we ene ko ha say na wudi wedumedi no bia beda pefe na tutu obi ehu bi no na ohun say sa nyema mienu we probity and accountability no ebi eni former president JM na brabo mu woni sa principles ne bi a obetimi ede abo adwuma no amate say NDC no mati o manim ewo wo mamanyo semu entenuti and na ba etia no in 2016 and the games no opere ese obesa to edia mo in 2020 emunum na ebiemu to no osa eka eyitasem bi na wonu no say ye Rawlings the two po sese ade fa de ekoso ewo eye ni ye eyo ewono na woka kosi so say ebeya engasa eye ensema Asiedu Ketia or your general secretary, Adima Endis or the Betu, and the Kabaya, woman train type can room you only and fit to a sunset. Mubakaya, Asiedu Ketia, the Betu that said, I was if a year you know, any if no want to hear any 170, I was head of state. NPP, woman penny pan and Ekofado, as my didn't ya apostra, or better or no one near Busia, and Omundi woman, asked the way he. Or more, woman, your party members are here, woman found an atom where you are missing Chen. A Bayagasa and some now. I see you and Ketia with the Etudan, one sun train time because I have former President J.J. Rawlings, one no more Tiasano, one no more anchor, one no more yachting, and as I said, no more answer the India Shas and Tia Banasang, and then Cabana Nakuma Swag here, and I said, but I say, and Quatompa, and Gasa and Cofono, and the best in Tikabaya. Woman you money for because any wish that said Rawlings time and can when himself Kobata and got better to be Mukrapo say my NDC Fompo and for woman answer and count yet Nimunum. Now say and was at the cat say, do a moyaniano, I quite say, woman Eddie Ria. A year former president of a befitting burial. I dare Sefatan say, Yamano, so I told an animal said an anchor, and says the chick crano. As for one, quite a real and no so if in channel, no so dear, woman trust and nation high Emma no Emma Suta. Now say no cow before casting was say, they are robbing the former president Rawlings of a befitting burial so they can hold a party funeral so that the party can benefit. I don't know who say a woman fast to dear, and some abeni and nakate, one more air pray eka ewa ponte 20 woman chamber because woman found a name no, none of me and you won't be empty. As I and some woman enfa AC Janata say, Rawlings ni wo echi and sema ebeba so man who miss so ye with 2 inch in Tamwasino. And no sabre ni yere na nakunadu Ajman Rawlings artist one no eche ni suma sembe no one also ediafa press conference mu ediabe to da I don't know what they edi send as a word of caution edema NDC for say woman tree omo emfi eye ni kruno ewo na ewo tutu ye ho na say ni ye yo entutu ye no woman tree omo emfa emfi ho na say utum say asem no eni enya aye just nye enya ye dia so at the account na eniabo no the abeto the media someone into most my drenche efa mami ensem awo the abeto dwa ewo press conference no emu no also betimi at the asomye ewo comment section na ebiem so apomodia a share video way at the mado fobusa for bibia no so at me a channel at the phone now we understand so no now we follow ye our Twitter and your Instagram account at @tumagh_. Facebook also you will a too much GH na ama obusa makram
me dey Isaiah Kodwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren won me kan woni hwe too much GH mu ye too much na me so me ye amo fire